Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to create and run our very first Angular project. For that what I will do is first let me create one folder on my desktop with the name Angular projects, where I will store all my Angular projects here. And what you need to do is you need to bring your command prompt inside this folder. For that let me copy this location and open command prompt and type cd and paste the location I copied, so that the command prompt comes to this Angular project location. So now to create Angular project, what you need to do is you need to use this command called ng new followed by the project name. So this ng command, to recognize, you need to have Angular CLI installed. If in case it is not installed, this ng new command is going to throw an error saying that command not recognized. So to verify whether it is recognized or not, what you can do is you can just type ng version. That will show the version of your Angular CLI, which is in my case 10.0.5. and now we will enter the ng new command to create the first Angular project. So I am going to give the name called my first app to my project. So this is going to give few options for you to select. So it is going to ask you, do you want Angular routing to be added to your project? As of now we don't know what is routing. For that reason we will be choosing N, means no. And one more thing, what kind of style sheet do you want your project to support? I will choose CSS. And after you hit enter, it starts installing some packages. Wait for some time until it completely downloads the Angular project. It is going to take around 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, you can see now the Angular project is created after entering this ng new project name. So what you next need to do is you need to get inside the project. So the project name is my first app. Let me type cd my first app. So now you need to enter the command called npm start to run your project. And one more command you can also enter to run the project is ng serve. So both the command works. If you use npm start, it will fire ng serve only. So let me enter npm start, and you can see ng serve command has been fired. So what npm start does is it is going to fire ng serve, and ng serve is going to run your Angular application in one default port 4200. So wait for the Angular project to compile and host on 4200. It will take some time. Yes, you can see the compiled successfully message and also the live development server listening on localhost 4200. So we just need to open this URL on our browser. So this 4200 is the default port number what ng serve takes. Let us open the browser and type that localhost 4200 port number. Once you hit enter, you will see one welcome page which is going to show some default content. This default content actually you can change, but what Angular does is every time a new project is created, one default content will be added. This is what the default content you get. So later you can change it for your requirement.